Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15, began rolling out globally on April 7, 2025, introducing AI-driven features and a refreshed user interface. The initial rollout included the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Subsequently, devices such as the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Tab S10 series, and Galaxy Tab S9 series received the update. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 series, Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 models were pre-installed with One UI 7 starting in February 2025. Samsung has also expanded the list to include older flagship models like the Galaxy S21 and S22 series, as well as various A, M, and F series devices, though specific models may vary by region. It's advisable to check Samsung's official channels or device settings for the most accurate information regarding your specific model's eligibility.